Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Hannelore and this beauty is an enormous king-size quilt I quilted in 2022. Shown here on an 8-foot square table. Yes, 8 feet by 8 feet. This quilt is well over 100 inches long by over 100 inches wide. My customer hand embroidered all those beautiful flower alphabet blocks by hand. It took her several years to do that, and then asked me to quilt each of those blocks with a different black background fill, which is what I did. So the background fills in the blocks, the piano keys in the green border, those were all done free motion, and the outer border feathers were done with the use of robotics, IntelliQuilter robotics. So I've done a bunch of video shorts on YouTube here where you can see each block individually and check out the beautiful background fills. My inspiration for these fills were Angela Walters. You can find her here on YouTube. Also Margaret Solomon Gunn with one of her many books on background fills, and Carly Porter and Julia Quiltoff. So these are the 3 books that gave me inspiration. I do not show the actual quilting on a lot of these designs because I just felt like it wasn't right, since the quilting is shown how to do that in the books. So I hope you're okay with that. So again, I thank you for tuning into my channel. Have fun with those YouTube shorts, and I will see you again. Leave your comments. Let me know how you like them. Thank you. Bye-bye.